Just a quick disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen, before we get started. I do not upload a video every Monday and Thursday. I do not upload a video every week or every month. I upload a video when I have something which I would like to share. So right now, it's the time for me to share something.
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
For launch in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, I hope all of you guys are doing well. 2 years ago I made a video regarding on how to import Siemens parts macros, to be exact, into EPLAN electric P8. So after I did that video, I got a few guys asking me, how do I import other brands? How do I import brands like ABB? How do I import brands like Eton? How do I import brands like Schneider? How do I import brands like IFM? So I decided today that I'm gonna make a video on how to import ABB parts and also how to import IFM parts. So basically, to import these parts, usually you will have to use Data Portal. If you don't find them on Data Portal, they are available on the company's website, on the website of an ABB or on the website of IFM. So you can actually download them from their website and import them onto EPLAN. So in order to do that, you'll have to search them on the libraries of the company on their website, like go to ABB's website or go to IFM's website, just like you do with Siemens. You would go onto Siemens website, search the part that you're looking for. Once you have found the part, then you can download it, the EDZ file, which is the micro, and then you can import them through your master data. You can import them onto your parts in EPLAN, onto your EPLAN database parts. So to do that, I'm gonna just do two examples. I'm gonna use one for IFM and I'm gonna do another example with ABB. So I'm gonna import a drive. It's just a normal drive. I have it actually opened here. It's just a normal frequency drive. It's a 1.1 kilowatt. It's a 3.3 amp. That's the output normal current use. So with ABB, you'll have to go to their ABB Libraries. I'll share the link to the ABB Libraries, and once you are there, you can just do a few filters and filter towards your drives, and you'll find the different drives. So I've also filtered to the circuit diagrams and not to be able to see data sheets of the drives, technical sheets of the drives, user manuals and all that. So I'm just I want my focus to just be on the circuit diagrams. So this one, as you can see, it's actually the second one. So in order to do that, you'll just have to go to that one, then you'll just click on where it's written ADZ, which is basically to download. So once you have downloaded it, it will go into your downloads, and you're almost ready. And once it's downloaded, you're done with the internet, you go back to EPLAN, and once you're in EPLAN, you just go to your master data, you go to management, which is where your parts are all located. Anyways, once you're there, you just click extras and you just click import, and once you're here, usually it could be selected to XML, or it might be selected to a different selection or option. You just have to click EDZ, and once you're in EDZ, you click EDZ because this file is an EDZ that you just downloaded. So once you have clicked EDZ, you'll have to search it on your PC, wherever it is downloaded to on your PC. Usually it would be downloaded to your downloads. So you'll just open the file, and there you can see it. It's actually there, downloaded to my downloads. Then you'll just click there and you'll click open. So what I'm gonna do is, just so that I can easily find it underneath my searches, I'm just gonna copy that name. I'm just gonna put it underneath my copy, just so that when I search it in the future, it's easy for me to find it. I don't have to manually type it and all that. So once you have included it underneath the file name. You can just update existing records and add new ones, or you can just add new records only. I usually just update existing and add new ones. Maybe I already have this part, so I just want to update it with whatever new features, whatever new functions, or whatever. Maybe there's a different variance of the micro or something like that. So anyways, I'll just click OK, and it's now preparing to import. Yeah, you see I already have it, so I will just overwrite it, say yes to all. So I'll just click close, and I'll just do you want to synchronize? I'll just say yes. So basically, if I had it in my project, then maybe there's a bit of a change to it. I just want the changes to be applied to wherever it is. So anyways, once that is done, I'll just try to insect it. So I'll go to insect at the bottom. Sometimes on your layout this section is not there, so in order to find this section or to edit so that it's visible there, you just click on your workspace and you say show menu bar, so that your menu bar is available for you to click there. Or you can usually just click control insect or just insect. I'm not sure exactly which one you click. I think it's insect, then it will insect your parts. Yeah, so just click insect device. So I'm not really sure exactly which one is a shortcut, depending on how you have set up your shortcuts. It's different. It's maybe control insect or alt insect or shift insect. Some people have different shortcuts for insecting devices, symbols and macros. So anyways, once this window the path selection window has opened, I will just remember that name that I had copied earlier on. I'll just paste it there, click enter, so that EPLAN searches through my parts. Then yeah, that drive has been inserted into my parts management, into my database basically. So now I can easily select it, and now I can easily add it onto my project. Not that I want to add it right now, but I just showed you guys how you can do it with ABB. So you can just insert it. Maybe if you wanna remove this one because maybe this one is not the correct one, so you just wanna insert this one and delete this one. So yeah, anyways, that's for ABB. Then for your IFM, as well, you can just whatever IFM part that you want. And I believe IFM once said, I might be wrong, but I believe IFM once said that for every part that they have, I'm not sure if it includes cables, I think it doesn't include cables, for every part that they have on their website has an EDZ file. So basically whatever part that you search for on IFM, you will find an EDZ file. I know with Siemens you don't find all of the parts. I know with ABB as well you don't find all the parts, but I think IFM once made a statement that you find all the EDZ files for all the parts that are there on their website. So anyways, once you have searched for whatever part that you're looking for from IFM, you can just scroll down. This is just a temperature transmitter, so you can just scroll down, and once you are on the CAD section, you are close by to the EPLAN section, and once you're in the EPLAN section, you can see there is the EDZ file for IFM, and that's for the temperature transmitter. You can just click on that EPLAN file, that download icon, and once you have clicked there, it has downloaded onto your downloading section on your PC, which is usually underneath the folder downloads. So you do the same process again. If you go to EPLAN, then once you're in EPLAN, you go to your master data, you go to management, and once you're in management, you then go to extras, you go to import, Then once you're in import, you make sure that the file type is EDZ, because the file type that you just downloaded from IFM is also an EDZ file. So you'd go there, you select EDZ, then you search for it. So it's this one. Then you click open, and once I'm there again, I'm just gonna select these ones and just copy, so that later on I can search for it underneath my part selection. So I'll just click OK, and this one also, yes, of course I do have it, so I'll just say yes to all, just to overwrite it. And once that is done, it is included in your parts management database. So I'll just click close, and yes, I want to synchronize it. So once that is done, you can just click insert and click device, and once you're on device part selection, then you can just click here. I'll just click paste so that it's easier for me to find it, and then I'll click OK, and then it will search for it, and once it has found it, yeah, that's it. Then you just click OK. Then yeah, there's it. It's included in your part selection. You can now use it. You can change the variants by clicking the tab button. You can change whatever to whichever variant you want to use it as in. So yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, you can also, yeah, just ungroup it if you want to. So you get that ability to ungroup it, and you can maybe rotate it. Maybe you want it to be like this. You get the ability to extend it. Maybe you want them to be like something like this. So yeah, it's up to you how you would like it to look like. Obviously you'll have to fix all these because they face in different directions and all that, but yeah, you can use it to your project. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's how you include the ABB, that's how you include the IFM. And yeah, I once did a video on how to include the Siemens as well, so you can check it out as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks very much for watching this video.